Episode of Retail Yarn series. Today our topic is HR manager versus CFO. Should your company invest in an HRIS? Your HR team wants a new HRIS, but the CFO says it's too expensive. Who is right? Today, we'll recreate a real-life corporate discussion between an HR manager and a CFO before approving an HRIS. If you're an HR professional, MBA student, recruiter, or business leader, this video will help you understand how HR and finance evaluate technology investments. Friends, let's take a fictional company. Company name, As and CO. Manufacturing company, 700 employees, 5 branch offices, HR using Excel and manual attendance. Payroll outsourced, recruitment growing rapidly. This gives context before the discussion. Role play characters, Ms. Ananya Sharma, HR manager. Mr. Rajiv Menon, Chief Financial Officer, CFO. Good morning, Rajiv. Thank you for giving me some time today. I'd like to discuss investing in a human resource information system, HRIS, for our organization.
Good morning, Ananya. I've seen your proposal. Before we spend money on another software solution, I'd like to understand why we really need it.
Absolutely. Currently, most of our HR activities, employee records, leave management, attendance, onboarding, and performance tracking, are handled manually or through spreadsheets. This consumes a significant amount of time and increases the chances of errors.
Manual processes are not ideal, but they don't necessarily justify a large investment. What problems are we actually facing?
There are several. Payroll inputs are delayed due to manual attendance consolidation. Employee records are stored in multiple files. Recruitment tracking lacks visibility. Managers don't have real-time reports. Employees depend on HR for simple requests like leave balances and salary documents. Overall, HR spends nearly 60% of its time on administrative work instead of strategic initiatives.
I understand the operational issues. Let's discuss numbers. What is the expected investment?
The estimated investment is 12 lakh rupees for implementation in the first year's subscription. Annual renewal from the second year will be approximately 4 lakh rupees.
That's a considerable amount. How do we recover this investment?
We've prepared an ROI estimate. Administrative effort can be reduced by nearly 40%. Paper-based documentation will be almost eliminated. Payroll errors will decrease significantly. Recruitment turnaround time will improve. Employee self-service will reduce routine HR queries. Compliance reports can be generated instantly. Overall, we estimate annual savings of approximately 10 lakhs through productivity improvements and operational efficiencies.
Savings are one thing. What about measurable business benefits?
With centralized data, management will receive accurate workforce analytics. For example, employee turnover trends, hiring cost analysis, department-wise absenteeism, training effectiveness, performance distribution, workforce planning reports. These insights will support better financial and operational decisions.
Data security is a major concern. Employee information is highly confidential.
We've shortlisted vendors that provide role-based access control, data encryption, cloud backup, audit trails, compliance with data protection standards, multi-factor authentication. We'll also involve the IT department during vendor evaluation.
Implementation often disrupts business operations. How long will it take?
The implementation timeline is approximately 10 to 12 weeks. The rollout will be phased: employee database, attendance and leave, payroll integration, recruitment, performance management, employee self-service portal. This phased approach minimizes operational disruption.
What if employees resist using the new system?
We've planned a structured change management program, employee awareness sessions, manager workshops, hands-on training, user manuals, help desk support during rollout. Adoption will be monitored through usage reports.
What are the risks if we continue with the current system?
The risks include increasing administrative costs, compliance penalties due to manual errors, data duplication, limited reporting capabilities, poor employee experience, difficulty scaling as the organization grows. As our workforce expands, these challenges will become more significant.
Have you compared different vendors?
Yes, we've evaluated solutions based on features, cost, scalability, customer support, security, Integration capabilities. User experience. We've shortlisted 3 vendors and can arrange demonstrations before making the final decision.
That sounds reasonable. What support do you need from finance?
I'd like approval to proceed with the vendor demonstrations and prepare a detailed cost-benefit analysis. After the demos, HR, finance, and IT can jointly evaluate the options before presenting a final recommendation.
I appreciate the structured approach. Let's move forward with the vendor demonstrations. If the financial analysis confirms the expected ROI and the implementation risks are manageable, I'll support the investment.
Thank you, Rajiv. I'll coordinate with IT and procurement and schedule the demonstrations within the next 2 weeks.
Excellent. Let's ensure we choose a solution that delivers long-term value rather than just meeting our current needs.
Agreed. Our goal is to build a scalable HR technology platform that supports both our employees and the company's future growth. Friends, the key learning points from the role play. HR presents the business need, operational challenges, and strategic benefits. The CFO evaluates costs, ROI, risks, implementation, and governance. Both collaborate to make a data-driven investment decision. The outcome is a balanced decision based on financial and operational considerations.
If you found this role play helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your colleagues, and subscribe to Retail Gyan series for more HR, recruitment, and corporate learning videos.